Hey everyone! If you've been thinking about buying a dash cam to monitor your daily drives or protect your vehicle while parked, you've probably wondered, what's the best dash cam available today? And is it worth investing in this model right here, the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K dash cam? Today, we're going to find out together if this camera truly delivers on all its promises. We'll explore the features and answer the questions everyone has. Is it good? Is it worth it? Before we dive in, if you want to stay updated on the best deals and product reviews for car gadgets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. It really supports me in bringing more content like this. So, what makes the Vantrue E1 Pro stand out? First, let's talk about its main highlight: 4K Ultra HD recording. With an 8-megapixel Sony IMX678 sensor, it captures stunning details, license plates, road signs, and even pedestrians' faces. And check out this field of view, an incredible 158 degrees, ensuring almost everything around your car is recorded. Plus, look at the design. It's super compact, about the size of a dollar coin, making it perfect for anyone who wants something discreet on their windshield. Now let's dive into the features that really make a difference in everyday use. First up, night vision. Thanks to Starvis, 2 technology and the exclusive PlatePick software, this camera can recognize license plates even at night, at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. This is crucial for driving in poorly lit areas or during long nighttime trips. Another amazing feature is the built-in GPS. It tracks your location, speed, and route, allowing you to view this data directly in the Vantrue app on your phone or computer. Perfect for anyone who wants total control over their journeys. And speaking of connectivity, the built-in 5G Wi-Fi lets you transfer videos to your phone quickly, at an impressive speed of 8 megabytes per second. Not to mention voice control, which makes it easy to take photos or adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. But what about when the car is parked? That's where the 24/7 parking mode comes in. With motion detection enabled, the camera automatically records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after any suspicious activity. Additionally, Starlight Night Vision enhances video clarity in low light conditions, ensuring you get clear evidence even in dark environments. Just keep in mind that for continuous parking mode, you'll need to purchase the hardwire kit separately. I ran some real-world tests to show the actual quality of this camera. In daylight conditions, the 4K resolution is simply breathtaking. You can clearly read license plates from a considerable distance, something many dash cams on the market just can't do. At night, the difference between the Vantrue E1 Pro and other cameras becomes even more obvious. Even on dark streets, the videos remain sharp and well lit, thanks to the combination of HDR and Starvis 2. Compared to competing models in the same price range, the Vantrue E1 Pro really stands out. It's hard to find another camera that offers so many advanced features for just $149.99. Of course, no product is perfect. So let's break down the pros and cons of the Vantrue E1 Pro. Pros: 4K Ultra HD recording with HDR, exceptional night vision with Starvis 2, built-in GPS and fast 5G Wi-Fi, compact and discreet design, 24/7 parking mode with motion detection. Cons: the LTE module and hardwire kit are sold separately. Setup might be a bit tricky for beginners. Overall, the benefits far outweigh the minor drawbacks. So everyone, that wraps up our review. Is it good? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Definitely. For $149.99, the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K dash cam offers an unbeatable combination of quality, advanced features, and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam to enhance your safety on the road or monitor your car while parked, this is an excellent choice. By the way, take advantage. The product might be on sale right now. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button below. That way, you'll always know when I bring new products and exclusive deals to the channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.